And you guys can see my screen. This is the login page. When you ultimately have Pro Agent, you should save the login page so that it comes back. You know how to do that, right? You make it a bookmark, and this way you can just log in all the time. They have it on the phone. You can do everything from your telephone. There's an app on your phone, but for an old guy like me, the letters and words are so small, it drives me crazy. And then I need one of these rubber booty pencils to do it, and I don't, pen, and I don't always have it. So I only do Pro Agent from my dashboard. So we're going to go first. You don't have to deal with this problem. I have everybody on mine. Yours is just you. So I'm just going to go and find Joseph Barata and refresh. And these are all my leads that I have, plus agents and everything else. So I am going to now do a group email. I'm already logged in, and I went on, and I'm Joseph Barata, and I've got all my leads here. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to send everybody. Now, when I did Mother's Day, I took all the guys out. Now I'm going to send everybody is good for Happy 4th of July. So I got select all, and I'm going to do a group email. Right off the bat, group email. Now I've got my next thing. Everybody's on here, the whole list, 117 people. Subject, Happy July 4th. And when? Here's the most important part. I don't want this going out now. I want this to go out on the morning of July 4th. Okay. So right off the bat, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to share this tab instead. And I'm going to July 4th. I put that in my Google search. Now I'm going to go to images. Look at all the beautiful pictures of 4th of July. Anybody have a preference on here? I kind of like that one. Looks nice. I like the sparklers. Ooh, that looks really cool. What else? Anybody have anything they like here? Jenny, pick one. You like that one?
I like the first one on the second row.
First one, second row. This one?
Yeah, I like that one.
All right.
That's fine.
Great. So now I got it here. I'm going to press on this little picture that makes it into a photograph. And I'm going to right click, save image as. And hold. It's a slow computer today. And I'm going to save it to my download folder. So now I'm going to go back to Contact Manager. And where did that thing go? My email. And I'm going here. And see this little guy right here? That picture? Click on that. And it's going to ask me to what picture do I want. I'm going to go to upload a picture. It's going to go to my document folder, open. And now it's in here. Now I got to go find it, wherever the heck it went. Somewhere. There it is, right there. Ready? And insert. Boom, look at that. So I can do that. And then from here, I'm going to bump it down a little bit. And up here, Happy 4th of July from all of us at Barata and Company. Realty. How do you like them apples? Isn't that nice? All right. And now I can preview what it's going to look like. Take a look at that. And here's my preview sent. It's going to email me a copy. I know what it's going to look like already. I've seen it before. So I'm going to put it into queue. Right? Hit that. Boom. Now it's ready to go. Your email is queued for July 4th, 2024. That's it. Wasn't that easy?
It was very easy. I already did it.
You did it already, right? So now I don't have to think about it anymore. July 4th is done. I can go in there and you could pick any other day. If you know somebody's having a birthday, you can go and make a happy birthday for one of your clients and just send them out a birthday cake like that. The same way. Let's go back and do that. Valerie, when's your birthday?
September 14th.
September 14th. Let's go back in here. I don't know if you're even in my dashboard yet, Valerie.
Not yet.
Yeah, you're not in there yet. So I'm
It's
going to
too
add you in.
early.
I'm going to add you in. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to my contact list. Are you sharing? Can you see my screen?
No.
Oh, good thing I asked. So let's go back in here and share my screen again.
Now I can.
Now you can. All right. So here's my client, Valerie Scheck. I'm going to put a check mark in there and I'm going to send her an email. Okay. So there's only one person receiving this email. It's just Valerie. Subject. Happy birthday. So you can, if you know, you can spell birthday correctly though. If you know, like, let's say your client closed today, you can go and set this for next year on July 7th, July 2nd, and put in happy anniversary of your closing. And you can have that already set. Just put it in there. And you know, the way that TV commercials, set it and forget it, and it's just done. So now I can do this and set it up for September, you said 14?
Yes.
September 14th. Happy
Wow.
birthday. And just do that. Happy birthday. And I'm going to go and back into, oh, you didn't see me do that, but I put in happy birthday. And you're the only one on the list. Happy birthday. I set the schedule up here for 9/14. And I'm going to go here. And instead of July 4th, I'm going to put in happy birthday and pick out a nice pic of happy birthday. That's beautiful. I like that one. Like that one.
I like that.
Save image as. And there it is. Save. Now I'm going to go back to my contact.
That is very cool.
And I'm going to go and do that little picture thing right there. And I'm going to upload birthday cake. Open. And I'm going to find it here somewhere as birthday cake. Now, if I wanted, I could just give it a number that it would go show up on top. But most likely it's going to be somewhere towards the top. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't like, you can't like put these somewhere. So I can make a folder. There it is. Happy birthday wishes. Insert. Look at that.
Wow.
It's your happy birthday. And I can write a message or not. If I want to write a message, I can just bump it down a little bit and put, hi, Valerie. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Bam.
Nice.
And now I'm going to set it and forget it. Cue email.
Wow.
Done. I don't have to do anything else. I could do that for every single person on my list if I had the time. And let's face it, everybody, you got the time. You don't have to do them all in one shot because everybody's birthday. Like you could just say, okay, I'm working today. What am I going to do? Hey, how about I set up everybody on a campaign? We have happy Labor Day. Then we've got Thanksgiving. If you have any Jewish followers here that are in your database, you could put in, happy Yom Kippur is the next year. You could put that in there. Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, obviously, Happy New Year. Just get it done. Just get them all done. And the only difference is if you put in the reason I don't like to do like the Happy 4th of July too soon is because if there are new people that you added, they won't be on that list. So if I just add 3 more people today to my list, they're not going to get Happy 4th of July. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Everybody get that? So the holiday ones, I kind of do a couple of days before, just the way it's done, especially if you're frequently adding people to your list. It's better to do that. Is that cool? So the only thing is, if you don't use this list and you don't use this software, I mean, that alone is worth the price of it. Just the fact that you can set everybody up, you get a new person, they give you their email address. Obviously, you're going to have that. If you know them, it comes up in conversation. You know when their birthday is, bam, put it in there. You should have that ready to go for a birthday. You should be sending out, I'd hope, everybody right now, except for if you don't have access, you should be doing a 4th of July right now. When you have time and you're like, you know what, I don't know what to do. It's late at night. Should I watch 90 Day Fiancé? They're getting boring. Instead of spending the hour there, let me go find out the people that I do know their birthdays, put them in here and get their birthday done. Just done. Keep track of what you did. And then also put in their notes for each person that you've already set that up.